Hi everybody, it's Yasmine. I just wanted to take you guys really quick. We are going to give the pigs some milk. So I wanted you to see how excited they get when we give them some milk. It is Iowa for sure. The seasons are changing and it is a little bit chilly outside. Everything is so pretty. It's almost sunset time. This tree was gorgeous and now it's lost almost all its leaves. But Journee is enjoying herself. So the pigs are still over here in their area that we moved them to by the pond. They are getting really big and they absolutely love their milk. Crazy to me that the ducks are still getting in the water because I know this water is fairly cold, but they don't seem to mind. Nuh-uh-uh, no ma'am, back up. Go over by Daddy. We're gonna go feed the pigs. Yeah, pigs. I love fall sunsets. It starts getting really pink and beautiful in the sky at night. As you can tell, they very much enjoy the milk. See, they are loving this area. This was all pastured grass and now they've tilled it all up. So I'm thinking about putting our garden here next year after they have made their rounds. Am I taking your picture? Fall is so pretty, but I don't like what comes next.